Let me tell you a story about how the government can really quickly throw a person's life into chaos. Robert and Anita Breinig started out a catering company several years ago. They would go fishing and they would catch fish and then they would serve that at parties. And it was so popular in the local community that people encouraged them to eventually open a restaurant. Well, they did. They saved up and they made it happen. They eventually bought this building, and the kitchen was a little bit small, but they were able to make it work because their catering truck had a massive freezer in it. This was working great until recently when they went to the county and they asked for a liquor license. The county came, they did their site check, and they said there was a problem. They said the strip of property in back of your restaurant where you're storing your trailer, you have to empty it, you can't use it anymore because we made a previous owner back in 1990 promise to leave that completely empty and in conservation condition so that they could get a permit. Well, the problem is that the county never bothered to record that agreement so that buyers like the Breinigs could know about it. Florida has a law that says that people have to record agreements like this so that good faith buyers know about it, and if they don't record it, then they lose that right. So the county, under Florida law, lost its right to enforce this conservation agreement that they made with the previous owner. Now, we don't think this is right, so PLF has come in and we're representing the Breinigs to say that the county must abide by the state's laws because the county is not above the law. You can't get around this protection. You can't violate the Breinigs' property rights. And this is about more than just the Breinigs, because according to the county, there's hundreds of conservation easements like this all around the county, and we don't know how many of them were not recorded. To find out more about Pacific Legal Foundation and about our Atlantic Center located in Florida, visit pacificlegal.org.